A WIP warehouse is a factory warehouse, not necessarily a physical one, which is dedicated to a specific production project like an ETO project, for example. With LPOne's feature of transferring material to a WIP warehouse, you can assign different types of materials needed for the project automatically in one step. In order to transfer your material to the WIP warehouse, you first need to fill in some necessary master data. When you do this, it's important to define the WIP warehouse, the materials that need to be transferred, and the work centers assigned to the WIP warehouse. When this is done, you are ready to start the actual WIP transferring process. You start this by creating a production order. In this example, we have the semi-finished products 1 and 2 that we would like to transfer to the WIP warehouse. The next step is to go to Material Transfer by WIP under the module Project to Order in LPOne's sidebar menu. Here, you search for the WIP warehouse you have previously defined in the master data, which in this example is WIP Warehouse 6. Check the boxes in the overview that appears and change the quantity to be transferred if needed. Then you can either create an inventory transfer or an inventory transfer request. In this example, we will create the transfer directly. Now we can see in the updated production order that the materials are transferred and located in WIP Warehouse 6. Once the materials are located in the WIP warehouse, you can register the materials that you are actually using. To do this, right-click on the header in the production order and click on LPOne Production Posting in the drop-down menu that appears. In this overview, you can see the required quantities of the semi-finished products 1 and 2 that are needed to create the semi-finished product 3. When you have used these required materials, click Add. And see how the production order has been updated. If you want to send back remaining materials that haven't been used from the WIP warehouse to the central warehouse, click on Material Receipt from WIP. Search for the WIP warehouse. And check the materials you would like to return to the central warehouse, which in this example is Default Warehouse 1. Now the remaining materials are returned to the central warehouse. As a result, this will save you time and effort and also help you to have good control over your stock situations. Furthermore, a WIP warehouse facilitates small and frequent internal material transfers, which favors just-in-time and lean production, thanks to LPOne.